My first online store looked perfect until 5 customers tried to check out and the site crashed. I lost sales, time and confidence. The problem? Weak hosting. In this video, I will show you the best hosting providers for e-commerce in 2025. Those are fast, secure and beginner friendly. Hey, I am from WebTech, and if you're building an online store with WordPress, Shopify or any platform, this quick guide will help you pick hosting that doesn't kill your sales or your site. When I launched my first store, I picked cheap hosting to save money. Big mistake. Every time I added products or ran ads, the site slowed down. Lesson learned: speed and stability are everything in e-commerce. Our top 4 e-commerce hosting options will help you to give you a perfect online store. Our top 4 is Shopify, best for all-in-one if you don't want to touch hosting, great for beginners but monthly fees are higher. It's about $29 plus in month. Our top 3 is Cloudways, best for scaling cloud hosting with pay-as-you-go pricing. Great performance but no super beginner friendly. Our number 2 is Hostinger Business Plan, best budget option, fast servers, WooCommerce ready, starts around $3.99 per month, good for small stores with limited products. Our number 1 is SiteGround, best for WooCommerce and WordPress stores, optimized for speed, security and traffic spikes, starts at $3.99 per month. Support is amazing. If you're building a WordPress store, SiteGround is best overall, and Hostinger is perfect for small budgets. If you want zero tech setup, go with Shopify. Need to scale big later? Keep Cloudways in mind. Still confused? Drop a comment about your store. I will reply with a personal hosting recommendation. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next 3-minute tutorial.